Okay, guys, so let's continue with the subsection of the tutorial. This is a continuation of the first one, the first video. So we have our weeks already up to 11th week. As I told you earlier, you can continue, so don't worry. So all that we need to do, let me start with the serial number. So with the serial number, as usual, we have done that already. So depending on the number of students that you want, just have to get your serial number here. And let's say I'm making it 100 students. So I'll make it 101 because I will use that space for girls. So 101. Then I'll center it. The admission number, you type it yourself. So you can increase the width a bit so that it will contain the space there. Then with this place, you realize that it is 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, which we cannot type names to overcome that place. So all that you need to do right now is just make sure you select the whole space like this and merge and center so that it will contain the shape there. So merge and center, merge and center, merge and center, merge and center. So after you've done like 5 or 10, just do this, copy. And then when you copy, come and paste them here. The moment you are doing it, it will be taking place like that. I keep on telling you, Excel is powerful. You don't need to waste your time. So if you don't do it like that, I better say you need to always be doing the merge and center, which will take very long. So this is a powerful short method I'm teaching you. You won't get it from anywhere. You understand? I'm teaching you this. So you merge and center. You can do it up to the number required. So now we have all this space here that we can type in our name. If you think that the space is very short, you can increase it. Then with the date of birth, we have the first one is month and the second one is year. So you can decide to type the full item there or you can abbreviate it. Depends on you. So month and year. Then with the month, a month or year, and then here under the month we have the month is probably can be April or whatever, you understand, or however you want it. And this must contain date. If it is Monday, we'll make this the second one here close to the Monday. Then you say, so we make it Monday. Let me clean this. You just need M, which signify Monday. Why am I getting month? These people. Right. I need just M. You are giving me month. So M, T, W, which is Wednesday. You can make Thursday T. You can make Friday F. Then the next two will be week, and then all. So we know how the register is being structured. You understand? You all know how it is being done. So this what basically we are trying to say, that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then all. You can copy all this. Just copy and come and paste here. Come here and paste. You see, you don't need to be typing everything to worry yourself. Very simple. So you can use just a day to even design a register pertaining on how determined you are with the copy and paste method. So you paste, you do it up to the rig that you prefer. So up to the 11th week, we are done. You understand? So we have your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Now up here will be if it is Monday, what is the date? Is it first? Is it second? Is it third? Are you getting it? So before we get to the days, we need the month as well here. So what we are going to do here is make sure you find a place. It can be outside the sheet. Just find anywhere. So I will do it in CK. I want to type month here, so I will say January, February, March. You understand? So I can make it abbreviated. Then I will make APR, which is April. Then May. So we have June. Sorry, I'll have to make this one also short. Then JUL, AUG, okay, so I want to show you something here. If you come to this side, you realize that when you click on this, it is January, February, March, April, June up to December. You understand? And then we have January, February, March. I will teach you that. You know, sometimes you have a month where it hasn't ended in January, but it is in the other month. So in order to help yourself, you can say January / February. Understand? So then you say February / March. Then you say March / April. Then April / May. So you say May / June. Then June / July. Then August / September. September / October. October / November, and we have December. Are you getting it? Or you can say November, December. So you can have something like this. Are you getting it? And then I'm going to teach you something here. You see, from the previous one, you'll be able to select the month however you want it. Mind you, you can type the full month name, January, February. It depends on you how you want to do it. So you see that you're able to make selection out of it. I'm going to teach you that quickly. So we have the month here, and then we have this one has not been done, so I have to merge and center as well. And then you merge and center this place as well. So all that you need to do right now is hit on the cell here and go to data. Follow this. Go to data and go to data validation. And when you go to data validation, click on this arrow and pick list. Are you getting it? And when you pick list, it will ask you source. Source means where do you want to get your data from. So click on this arrow here, close to the box here, and scroll down to where you want to pick your data from. So from here up to the last one. Understand? And then you strike on enter. Then you click on OK. Now when you are done, you see that you'll be able to pick or make selection from here. Simple as that. Are you getting it? So as usual, the lazy Excel user comes in here. Copy and paste. Just copy and paste, my brother. Copy and paste. Don't worry yourself. Copy and paste is for us. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. So I have to do that up to the last month. Go to the last month. Good. So having done that, we are actually done with the month. So if I come here and I select January, I have my month to be January. You understand? Good. The next thing that we'll also do is this piece. You know, we have to get the days of the month. So if it is Monday, it can be first, it can be second, third. So that one to come to an empty space or cell, do the same thing. So you can see 01, 02, 03. You understand? So just select it and then quickly do the fill up to 31st, because we have 30 days, we have 28 days, so, but we make it 31st. So we'll have this one here. But you realize that some of the dates we have 1, 2 instead of 01 or 01. Sorry, 01. So to do that, go to formatting or go to home and go to the number here, general, and then go to more number format, and then go to custom. Now we are telling Excel that whenever we see the 1 make it 2, which is 01, 02, 03, 04. So scroll down, and then you have to go through and pick something like this one will give us a decimal. So we want to pick something that will give us double digits. Let me see. Let me see this. Okay, or you can see supposed to get something like that. It should be custom. Okay, you for the time being will come back to that. I want to find that I created some, but I can't see it, so we'll maintain that one and follow the same thing. So go to here, you understand, select this one and go to data and go to data validation, and then the first thing with the list, click on the source and go and pick the 1 to 31st there. So 1 to 31st, just pick it, hit enter and press OK. So when you do that, you realize that here too you can make selection. So if it is first will come. If today is second, you just pick it. So you copy this one, you can paste here. You can even copy like the whole thing here. So mind you, it ends on Friday alone, so don't go and paste it on the weeks as well. So you do the same thing here up to Friday. Up to Friday, then you paste up to Friday, you paste up to Friday, you paste Friday, you do the same thing. So you do that to the last week. Register creation is beautiful after you've created it, but it's not easy. It's not easy. You need to take it one by one to do it, so it's not easy. So now we are done with the weeks, the naming of the week. So we'll pause here, guys, and then we'll continue next time.